Hello, in front of me I have Honor Pad V9, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot this device. Okay, so let's begin. So the process is really easy and I'm sure that all of you can handle it. So first we need to open up the power menu first. To do it, simply hold the power button. It's located right in here where I'm pointing at. Simply hold. Okay, now we are in the power menu, and on the left side, as you can see, we have our restart button. So simply tap on that. I don't know why the digital launched. So click on restart. Now tap once more. Now as you can see, the screen went black, and now within a few seconds the device will be turned on automatically, and then it will be again ready to use. And already the Honor logo appeared, as you can see. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.